What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some maintenance on the cars. What do you have in your hand, girl? Who's that? Is that Minnie Mouse? Oh, you got an air pressure gauge, huh? So we're gonna check air pressure today.
Yeah.
Check oil.
Yeah.
And then change Daddy's spark plugs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh. Yeah, Minnie Mouse gonna help.
Me too.
Push it down first. Can you do it?
Oh.
Push it all the way on. Ready? I'll help you. I go. What's it at? Is that about 25? Like 27, 28? That's good, huh?
The next one.
The next one. Over here, come on. Ready? Let's check it out. That one's good. That one's like 27, 28.
25.
Yeah.
Yes, can do it.
You wanna do it?
Yes.
Close that one. We don't want to drop it. Please. Ready? You're gonna pull it out and then just wipe it off first.
I think a big one.
Yeah.
We don't have a big one.
Uh-oh, Daddy needs oil. And it needs to be changed.
That can keep it.
Yeah, Daddy needs like another quart, huh? Alright, let's pull these plugs off. Wanna check them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Whoa. What did Daddy do?
I got all of them.
Yeah. Can you look down in there? Show you. Remember, those are spark plugs. Remember the ones we had in the room? These ones? You're gonna change them.
Change your color.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Did you get it?
Yes, it's too
No,
heavy.
it's still in there, girl. Let's see. A little bit more.
Whoa, whoa. You should sit down.
Sit down over here, okay, baby? Watch your head. Sit right there. No. Oh. Ew. That's okay, baby. Ready? See the last one? It's the last one. You take it out.
Do smell it.
Why do you want to smell it, baby? You're silly.
That's nasty.
Nasty. Alright, can,
My hand.
can you hold it for me? Let's compare them to the new ones real quick.
Nice.
No,
Hold it.
hold it for Daddy.
You must sit down.
Let's
You must sit down.
A little bit of a difference. A lot of cars don't really need changing until like 75 to like 100,000, just
Yeah.
until the car's skipping really. You don't really need to change it.
I wonder what mine are looking like now.
You can check them.
What are they?
That.
Spark plugs. Good job.
Put these ones, new ones in.
Here goes that.
Put them back up there. Can you put them in those little boxes, please? Jesus, I hate this
Right here. This one get down.
We went ahead and just replaced the plugs. Typically, you don't really change plugs until you're like 50 to 75 to 100,000 miles. My car had a small skip, so I decided to go ahead and replace them. I need about a quart of oil, so here in a second we're gonna run to the parts store, grab that, but The car hasn't ran yet today. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of a cold start. I'm just running for a minute, let it warm up. You guys haven't heard it since the resonator was replaced, so let's check it out. Alright guys, we just got back from the parts store. I got a quart of oil for the Honda. We got some plugs for the Nissan, along with some wiper blades. Doing plugs on the Honda, they were size 16 mil, but for the Nissan, it'll be a 14, and you will also need some pliers and a 10 mil wrench. Okay, quick update real quick. The Honda's done. I got the oil in it already. Spark plug's changed. I just need to air up the front 2 tires. And on this thing, got the old plugs out already. In order to do that, first this plastic cover comes off. It just pops off. It plugs up into these 4 pieces right here. It pops right off. Then next you want to do is unhook some of your vacuum lines. This guy goes right here. And from this red piece to this thicker piece right here, this whole line comes off right here. And then unhook this guy and just push it back a little bit. After that, break these 4 10 mil bolts. I got them up here. And then after that, these guys pull right out. And since we have everything out already, we're just gonna wipe everything down and make it look a little prettier. All right, we got everything hooked back up. Those 4 10 mil bolts are back in. Everything's plugged up. The vacuum line's all hooked back up. About to slap on this plastic cover. Like I said, those 2 go up there, and then these bottom ones right here. So kind of just lay in place. You can see it right there going that one. There's that one. Just snaps on like that. Nasty rags, but let's do a quick little wipe. Just get some of the old dust and dirt off of here. And that'll pretty much do it for today, boys and girls. Just a quick small tune-up for both the cars. Spark plug change, added a quart of oil on that guy. Checked air pressure. Both cars do need a little bit of air in the front tires, but they're not low. But probably later on I'll be swapping those guys out, but I just want to say thanks for tuning in, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Bye.